So another McDonald's, 1.5 miles away. Time is coming up to 20 past 11 now, so it's getting pretty late. Yeah, it's unusually slow tonight. It's not that busy. Still got 4 bars of battery on the bike, which is nice. Oh, it's still raining a little bit, sorry. I thought it stopped raining. It's just spitting a tiny bit. It's a camera wipe. Sorry if there's any rain spots on the camera. A nice cruise, no pedaling whatsoever. Oh, it's so nice. I wish all deliveries were like this. You just sit down and it takes you. There you are.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye. Nice happy customer. See how much we got paid for that one. £5.57. Pretty good. So just got another McDonald's order 1 mile away. Booster's still at 1.4 and the time is 11:52. So the boost should be going up to 1.5 I think at midnight or 12:30, I can't remember. Whew. Yeah, strangely quiet tonight. Even all the pubs and bars where I live and even restaurants are empty. There's literally no one out, which is a bit confusing because everyone will be at home, but they're just not ordering food. Had a few orders, but for a Friday night, this is quite strange. Hopefully tomorrow night's good. Gonna do the same again. Probably go out in the daytime tomorrow actually, from like midday till 5, have a rest and then go back out at 7 or 8 in the evening. Oh, hiya. Alright, so I was just gonna call you. There's your food. The drinks are in the smaller bag. Thank you very much. Thank you. £4.46 for that one. It brings us up to £35.34. So I've been online for 3 hours and 55 minutes with 7 trips completed. So we got another McDonald's and this one's 1.9 miles away. Pretty long drop. got some hills. Yeah, this is going to be a long one. Yeah, the hill's just at the end of this road on the right side. Thing is, you can't turn right there, so I'm gonna have to go across the pedestrian crossing. Let's cross here. Right, let's see what speed we can hit. Look at this hill. This hill is a bomb. I've got wind coming towards me, so it's sort of gonna slow me down. But let's see, the lights have just changed green. 31, 34. 36 miles an hour. Woo! Whoa, that was scary. How much dosh we got for that one? 1.9 miles on a 1.4x to £6.04. Pretty chuffed with that. Takes us up to £41.38. I haven't got a clue where I'm going. So just got another order, 1.2 miles away. I'm gonna aim for £50 and then call it a night because yeah, it's nearly 1 AM. So I reckon one more drop after this and then I'm done. I'm gonna at least get up and do some Uber. Getting pretty cold now. Damn. £5.11 takes us up to 46.49. That's good. I reckon one more drop and we'll be done. And earlier on, when I done that hill bomb, I broke my D-lock, the clip that clips onto the bike. It snapped. So yeah, quite annoyed about that. I thought I heard something snap, but I didn't know what it was. Doing the first tax return, first self-assessment, anyway, self-employed assessment. My first one ever, next month, the 5th, after the 5th of April. Yeah, because I think you need, if you work in 2 jobs, say you're working a normal PAYE job and you're doing self-employed on the side like I am, doing Uber, you have to, when you do your tax return, you have to put in the total amount that you've earned in your full-time employment, what you've earned in your self-employed. Yeah, so your self-employment, so then they already know how much you've made in your full-time job, but they want you to make sure, they basically want to see if you lie about it. So yeah, don't lie about it, it's not worth it. I'm probably gonna film it. I don't know how I'm gonna do it because I don't really want to give away too much of my personal information of how much I earn, like in my full-time employment and stuff, but I'll try and do it to the best of what I can show. But yeah, that'll be next month anyway. I still have to wait for my P60. I think that comes in May, so I don't think I'll be able to actually do it until then. But you've got until October, I think, or December 31st, I can't really remember, but it's different if you're doing a paper return to if you're doing it online. I think online they give you a bit longer, whereas paper returns are in October, I think it is. But don't hold me to that. Oh, look at this, I'm not riding in that, that's piss. Ooh, look how many bikes there are. So many Uber riders. So I got another order, it's just started raining. So yeah, this is going to be my last one. This one should take me up to £50. It's 0.8 miles away on a 1.4, so this will take me up to £50 for the evening. The rain is starting to come down quite hard, and the last thing I want to do is get soaked. So I just received a £2 tip as well, so I think that's included in with the £52.77. So yeah, £2 tip as well, which is nice. That's from the customer that I just dropped off to. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and until next time.